Today was an interesting day in the markets. Putin actually used the word nuclear in a couple of different statements, talking about nuclear war and how they would use nuclear weapons if they were ever attacked and things like that, which created a little bit of crazy movement in the markets. Overall, though, just another choppy day for the most part. Had some green trades, had some red trades. So let's go ahead and dive into the stream recap. And just a reminder, I do stream live here on YouTube every day, Monday through Friday at 8:20 a.m. Central Time. It's free to watch. All you gotta do is subscribe and come hang out. So I'll see you in the live streams. But let's go and get into the recap. All right, good morning. Hope you're having a good day. Happy Wednesday, it's hump day. Markets are still tumbling a little bit. Daily wise, 230, 160 both look interesting to me. If we were to really come down, 5 minute had a little V bottom action back into VWAP, rejecting it so far. Opening up just shy of yesterday's value area low and right at yesterday's lows, basically at 500. So we'll see what happens there. Overall, though, just going to be patient and do what we do and be patient, wait for a good entry, attack, and not be too greedy. So that's the goal. And last but not least, the 30% off on the combines is happening right now, and 50% off resets. This is what you'd pay every month while you're in the combine, while you're passing it, I should say. And when you pass it and you get a funded account, you no longer pay this. I think it'll be very telling if we bounce out of here. If we get some random strength or whatever and we bounce out of this, it'll be very telling on what type of day it's going to be. Anytime we see the weakness like this and we had a nice push and we kind of start slowing down and then we bounce out of it, typically starts doing that over and over again. But kind of rolling over still. We're 20 points off of point of control. Should have just taken the short, I guess. Little VWAP test here now. Value area low. I'm actually going to take the quick stab long here off VWAP. That's a pretty good size sell-off. Right into value area low as well. That's it for me. Just a quick little scalp. We were stopping at that volume at 40. I wanted us to pop through the volume at 40 and rotate to like 43 or whatever that was, but we kind of rotated right off volume. So go ahead and kill it there on a quick little scalp off VWAP. Nice and easy 9 points. Which brings me to a point. I was reading some comments today. And some dude was trying to roast me for saying points instead of ticks. Every dollar move on the Nasdaq is called a point. Okay? Every 25-cent move is called a tick. So if I make 16 points like I did yesterday, so just now I made 9 points, right? It's 180 bucks. So that's 9 points. Now, if you were to multiply that by 4, that would be ticks. Okay? And I'm not trying to roast the guy. I'm just trying to get us all on the same page of definitions and stuff because people talk about definitions a lot and how I need to make a video on it. Well, here's step 1. Okay? A point is a dollar move. A dollar in price, okay, which is equivalent to $20 in P&L. So 1 point equals $20 of plus or minus P&L. 1 tick equals $5 of plus or minus P&L. 4 ticks equals $1 of price movement. Capiche? I understand this does not have dollar signs in front of it, so you're right. It's not a dollar, but like we're obviously all think about stocks in terms of dollars, so just roll with it. New 5-minute candle just opened up. I don't think we have a wick test at play. Yeah, no wick test, just VWAP and the top of the stuff at 530, top of the range. I went ahead and grabbed a short here. I like the momentum. I felt like we were breaking out to the downside. Looking at 80 as an area of interest. We got point of control at 80, excuse me. That's kind of what I'm looking to target here. Assuming we can continue staying heavy. Right now, we're just kind of bouncing out of it. And we're kind of getting some more buyers here, so I'm going to be very tight on this trade. Rejecting 500 again is good. Just wanted to do it quicker. ES is trying to come into VWAP. There it goes. I missed it by 2 points. I should just kill it. Missed it by 2 points. Just not there. It's close. But anytime we're like that close and I don't get filled, I should just kill it. Especially with the ES right at VWAP. Still looks heavy. Rotation down to 450 looks pretty nice. I'd like to see potentially a test of retest of like 76 with Delta looking heavy for the move down to the 50s. Okay, that's good for me. That's pretty much what I was wanting at 76. Starting to boost out of it a little bit. 5 points or so. I want to see some more continuation now. On the 5 minute structure wise, it does look like a little bit more of a bottoming area, but on the 22 range, when you're actually looking at delta, etc., it looks like it wants to keep going. It's having a hard time at whatever, 73. Might have to kill this thing. Back to 500 psych level. Buyer's still looking pretty good here. I gotta kill this. I'm out. I'm not interested in riding that all the way back. Down 6 points, 6.5 points on the day. We were up just shy of 15 points, lost like 20 points there, and it just continues to rip. I'm buying volume here. Delta looks pretty good. I'd love to see VWAP get traded again. I just don't know if that's gonna happen. And I definitely don't want to see new lows getting printed here. 5 points down. We had some sellers coming through. Don't know if it's enough yet. Yep, I'm out on that. That's just not it. I don't want any breaks of all of these wicks. To me, that's super sketchy, and I'm calling it here. Down 400 bucks. It's just not worth it. Not worth it.